Hello everyone, this is Anti. Welcome to another Life and Wealth Mastery. Today is December 10th, 2020. What happened yesterday, DoorDash went public and its share rose about 80% on its first day of trading on the New York Stock Exchange. While the stock have lost about 14% today from yesterday, DoorDash market cap still sits at a hefty $85.5 billion. That is insane, right? And look at Airbnb. It went public today. It's supposed to be priced at $68 a share, but only 10 of the big institutional investors get to buy it at $68 a share. But for retail investors like you and I, we ended up have to wait for the market to open for the stock to be able to trade on the stock market, which at the time it was $144 per share. What an unfair disadvantage that we have compared to the big institutional investor. But hey, that's life, right? So I just want to show you how Airbnb stock went up massively, even starting at $144 a share for a retail investor like me and you. So let me quickly show you the clip.
Bought 50 shares at $154.42. And look at the momentum and the rapid movement of this stock that within less than a couple minutes. I exited the trade like around $164 or 163 and some cent to be exact, and I'm glad I did. And I wasn't intent to buy this stock or hold on to it. I just plan to wait, but short a demonstration of the purpose of this video, that's what I did just for you guys. Let me know what you think. You see how crazy it is? It's jumping up and down. If you don't have a stomach for this, don't trade.
Just to give you some real life perspective of the current Airbnb valuation at $100 billion market valuation. What it means is that Airbnb is worth more than Marriott Hotel, Hilton Hotel, and Hyatt Hotel combined. All three of them combined is worth $80 billion. And Airbnb currently right now is worth more than a GM, General Motors, which is sitting on some game-changing electric vehicle technology that's worth $62 billion. And yet Airbnb is currently right now trading at the market valuation of $100.7 billion. So that's just to give you some perspective of how crazy Airbnb price currently traded right now. And take a look at DoorDash. DoorDash shares, even though it gave back 8% from yesterday, it's still sitting at $66 billion market capitalization. That means this company, DoorDash, a startup company that is making no profit, has no value right now, it's worth more than Burger King and Popeyes restaurant combined at $18.6 billion market value. DoorDash is a food delivery company. And up to now, the companies have no profit. It have no value. In fact, the company has lost $149 million through the first 9 months of 2020. And is reported another loss in the previous year. And yet, DoorDash still sits at a hefty $65.5 billion market cap. And same for Airbnb. Airbnb has no profit as of now. And Airbnb has posted a 2.1 billion in accumulative losses since its creation in 2008. is reported a $697 million losses through the first 9 months of 2020. So I just want to point that out so that you can picture that to see if Airbnb and DoorDash is worth to invest in at its current price right now. As for me, it's way overpriced. What I would do, I would wait for things to cool off. I will wait to see the next earning, because currently right now, none of them are making money. I understand these are growth company. I really like Airbnb. I personally use Airbnb, and I like to invest into companies that I personally use or own. So Airbnb I use, DoorDash I use, and I've noticed a lot of people around me do use them. They are a familiar brand, which is great. However, they don't worth the current market valuation that the market is putting on it right now. Because a lot of investors right now are betting on hope, and hope won't cut it, because once everyone starts to realize and take a step back that this market have been going nuts, there's no longer fundamental play here, and you need to take a step back and reevaluate, because a lot of the prices in the stock market right now, to me, is way overpriced. But you need to understand why they are overpriced. There's a story behind it. The rule of investing is not to lose your money, because if you invest $100, you lost 50% of it, you have to make 100% back to break even. Not 50. If you lose 50, you have to make back 100% in order for you to go back to square one. So I'm not in a hurry to invest into a company that is on a hype right now, and I'm not betting on hope. I'm betting on the true valuation of company. Okay, so comment below, what do you think? Are you going to invest into Airbnb or DoorDash? What do you think about the stock market right now? What are you going to do next? I would love to hear your input. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you next time. Thank you.